Hey guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated when I make a new upload. Please do follow me on Instagram for different types of posting cars. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Mercedes-Benz V-Class, the V220D, and there's no sense talking about the boot because if you see, fold the third row seats down, then you'll get 1000 liters and you get a real wiper here. LED tail lights, V220D badging, Mercedes logo, and this is the side profile of the car. You get hoof wheels as well, 245/45 R18 alloy wheels, Mercedes-Benz logo, some cuts here, chrome lining here, floating roof treatment here, piano black touch here, full. Body color door handles and OLVMs with turn indicators. You get full LED headlights with LED DRL and LED fog light. There's the Mercedes-Benz logo, a huge logo here as well, with chrome finish here. You get front parking sensors, 360-degree parking camera. The car is massive in terms of length. It's around 5.2 meters long and 1.9 meters tall. So yeah, it's a tall car. Now let's quickly get into the rear seat. Now just pull the handle once and you can go in. You can close the seats by pressing this button. Now I am into the third row of seats. Well, good amount of legroom, kneeroom and headroom. Magazine holder, scooter seat back. Good finish over here, some space here. Burmester sound system. And the seats are very comfortable. This is the armrest for the third row of seats. But it makes sound here which is kind of awkward. And under thigh support is decent, I would say. The seats are well cushioned and comfortable. Now let's get into the second row of seats. Getting in and out for me is a problem because I'm 6 feet tall and the roof wheels are functional and you get panoramic roof as well. Panoramic dual roofs. Let's quickly close the door. Handle over here. In the third door you get light and AC vents. Here also you get lights and AC vents. Halogen lights, hook, handle. And here you get 3-zone automatic climate control. This is the large panoramic roof. You can open it this way. You can open both the sunblinds as well. Now talking about the rear seat, you get a leg rest here, net here, scooter seat back. The seats are comfortable here. You get power adjustable seats here. You can, but the adjustment for the, the seat for front and back, it's manually, which is kind of disappointing. You get cooled seats, heated seats. You get massage seats as well. Memories function. Now you get cup holders, which is cooled and heated. And you get 6 airbags in this car. Air conditioning works brilliantly well. Large glass roof. You can open this as well. I'll show it to you in a bit. Well cushioned seats. You get a pillow here as well, which is kind of comfortable, which are like S-Class like seats. Height adjustable seat belts. Not much to talk about the rear seat, and you can extend the under thigh support as well. So under thigh support won't be a problem. So let's get to the driver's seat. Talking about the safety systems, It has ABS, EBD.
Okay, send me the details of that one.
ABS, EBD, ESP, brake assist, hill descent control, hill start assist, and traction control system as well. You get passive entry here. Now we are into the driver's seat. You get turbine like AC vents here, 7-inch infotainment system. Steering feels good to hold. This is for the multi-information display, voice command. This is for the declining or attending the call. This is the volume control. This is the instrument cluster, the multi-information display. This is for the front power windows. This is the electric adjust for the front seats. Now this is the center locking. This you get only heated seats at the front. Ambient lighting as well. You get ambient lighting in this car. 360-degree parking camera, as I told. You get front and rear fog light. This is for the cruise control. Oh, sorry, this is for the intensity of the instrument cluster. You can control it from here. This is the gear lever, Mercedes style. And talking about here, you get space over here with USB and twin cup holders here. You get a touchpad here. You can control it. Then this is for the volume. This you can open the rear right door. This you can rear left door. This is the auto hold function. This is for the parking sensors. This is the dynamic stability control. This is for the volume. This you can control this is like an IDF control of what you say in BMWs. Hazard light switch, telephone, navigation, media, radio, automatic climate control. Then here you get lights. There are a lot of lights here. Here you get a mirror with a light, halogen light. A mirror with a light here as well. Now you can open the sunroof from here. Talking about the cabin is silent enough. And the air conditioning works brilliantly well, as I told earlier. Now this infotainment is kind of small, 7 inches. You can't expect such a small system in Mercedes. Now talking about the multi-information display, trip, navigation, radio, media, telephone, assistance graphics, service, settings. In settings, if you go, you get assistance, lights, instrument cluster, vehicle, factory settings. A lot of controls here. RPM is marked till 6000 RPM and the speed is marked till 260 kilometers per hour. The ambient lighting brightness, the air conditioning, belt seat adjustment, automatic mirror folding function, locator illumination, auto locking feature. There are many things in the infotainment system. Now you go back 1 minute. Time, owner's manual, consumption, 360-degree parking camera, vehicle settings, and air conditioning. So a lot of controls here. Now let's open the engine bay. This is the electronic parking brake. Let's open this is the automatic dimming inside rear view mirror. As I told, 6 airbags. So let's open the engine bay. The 2-liter turbocharged diesel engine which produces 163 horsepower and 380 Newton meters of torque. And 0 to 100 a claim time of 11.1 seconds. Talking about the fuel tank capacity, it's 72 liters. And the mileage by ARAI is around 16 kilometers per liter, but in the city you can expect it around 11 or 12 kilometers per liter, and if you go to the highway you can expect it as around 15 to 16 kilometers per liter. And the windows are large enough in this car, so you won't feel claustrophobic. The seats are well cushioned and it's a very big car. So anyone looking for this car can go, because the starting price of the car is 90 lakhs and that's the expression variant. And you have extended wheelbase. This is the long wheelbase version. Then it will be like 200 millimeters longer than the normal elite variant. This is the elite variant. This is 1.4 crores, and you get the exclusive as well, the second variant, which is 1 crore. Then you get the Marco Polo, which is like a 1 BHK on wheels, which is around 1.7 crores. So guys, honestly I won't prefer this car for this price point. So please do like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.